stage is yours. Best of luck.
Thank you, Toastmaster Dharmendra. How many of you are motivated today? Please raise your hands. Ravi, are you not motivated today? So it is my responsibility to motivate you today. For the people who do not know about me, I'm going to blow my trumpet. I am in my self-improvement journey for the last 1100 days. Can I have a huge round of applause for me? Every single day into self-improvement journey. Every single day meditation. Every single day journaling. Every single day visualization. Yes, this is what I did for the last 1100 days. And do you know how many minutes I have spent on meditation? 1100 into 20, which is equal to 22,000 minutes of meditation. Thank you. And that meditation has given me immense change. What I was in 2023 and what you are hearing today is completely different. It's the best version of Shweta Sinha that you are watching. And with this speech, I want to create that best version in each one of you. Because we all have what? Motivation. We all have that zeal. But most of us, what we do is that we are wrapped under a shell and we don't want to come out from it. And once you did it, you'll see your best version. Have you seen a pearl? How many of you have seen the pearl? Great. And what happens to that? It's under a shell. And with lot of, the effort, it comes out. But when it comes out, it is priceless. Like us, we also need to do these kind of efforts. And I will tell you, since my childhood, I was the motivator of my class, of my friends. But deep down, I was not healed. I was full of trauma. And that's why I was able to motivate people, but that lasted for a very little time. Then, one day, someone told me, if you want to motivate others, first what you need to do is to motivate yourself. And once I started doing it, there was no looking back. Because I applied 4 strategies and would like to share each one of that with you. The first one is the appreciation. I appreciated myself. Every day, I didn't wait for any clap. I started writing on LinkedIn. And earlier I used to get 1 like, 2 like, no views at all. But I kept on doing. I appreciated myself. I clapped it myself and that gave me boost. The second one is the achievement. I tracked my achievement, how far I have come. What I mentioned about my meditation, it is 22,000. Had I not tracked it, I would have not able to tell you. Yesterday only, I planted 6-week plantation drive I completed and 76 plants were planted. And that's my achievement. The third strategy is the status. What does status mean? I recently completed reading one book by Robin Sharma and I was highly impressed. Leader who do not have title. And what I picked it up was LWT, lead without title. Earlier, when I was in my organization, I always used to crave about the title, like the fancy designation. I did get it, but I didn't feel that there was much difference between it. Later on, I understood. Lead without title means you need to inspire others. And I am taking an immense pleasure in sharing that once I wrote my book, there were others authors also. My bhabhi became author. My neighbor became author. When I started planting trees, there are other people who also came and who started giving contribution. When I started reading book, there are other people who also started reading book. So this is how I created my status. And the last one is the affiliation. What does the affiliation means? It's the association. When you associate with the group like Toastmasters International, it gives you boost. It gives you immense confidence. And this is how I motivate others. So each one sitting in this room, you have heard the speech of Ikigai. And Ikigai is actually not you can get in just overnight. It's a long journey. And I must say that I have got my Ikigai. I have got the purpose of this human life. So each and every one sitting in this room, you have got this human life. Motivate others to do. There are two types of motivation, intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic is that first you need to get motivated. And how you can do? By following G. Savers, what I do daily. And if you want to know more about it, please read it in my book, Personal Growth Digest. And the extrinsic motivation is like coming to these kind of organization. I am highly motivated when I see Haritosh, when I see Dharmendra, when I see Saurabh and other people who come here every Sunday morning, tip top and attending this session. So please, it's my urge that you first motivate yourself and motivate others. Thank you, Toastmasters.